Hello, I'm Bihandu Nemaka, and this is a demonstration for the assignment that I have to do in the network design. So first of all, I like to go through the virtual box interface. So you can see there are two machines that I use. The first one is the Untangle Debian, means the firewall on the virtual box, and the Windows 1, Windows 10 is that I use to testing the firewall configuration. So I like to go through the firewall first. So this is the dashboard of the firewall, and I like to go through the network cards. So there are two networks. The first one is the external one, and it's designed as the 172.31, and the internal one showed as the 192 and 168. So I like to go through the virtual machine. And first look what are the IPs that we have on the virtual machine. So go through the properties. Go through the change adapter option and right click on Ethernet and go to properties. In here you can go through the properties and you can see the IP address on the virtual machine is 192.168.2.100 and the subnet mask is 24/24, and the default gateway is the internal IP of the firewall, and the DNS also the same. So let's look, is it ping? So I use CMD to ping. So 192 and 168.2.1 is ping. So there's a connection between the virtual machine and the firewall. And to check the internet connection, I can pin the Google, same as previous. So it's working. So I like to go to the first task that we have on the assignment. The first task is in our assignment is implement a rule to block the specific incoming traffic from the particular IP range. So I have to go the apps. So I already downloaded a few apps in here. To download apps, you have to go the install apps, and especially you have to signing in here, and you have to put your Gmail and you have to create an account and put your Gmail and the password, and you can access for the apps and you can download any apps. These are the apps that I downloaded previously. So I like to go to the policy manager. So in policy manager, there's a default policy in here. So I click in here and you can see I enable the firewall one. To enable the firewall one, you have to click on the install and just it says like that. So I already enabled that one, and to block the specific incoming traffic, I have to go to the firewall apps. You can download the firewall app from the app once, and you have to click the firewall. So after that, go to rules, and you can add the rule. Uh, First one that you have to do is the at the role. So you have to give the description. So the description must be the block HTTPS, and you have to add the condition. I just add the condition to the source address, and I'll give my host IP is 192.168.2.100. I think you remember the address on the this one. This address. So I put on the firewall. And also I have to add another condition as the destination port. The destination port must be the 443 because 443 is the port of the HTTP. So the action type will be block. Before do that, I have to go through the host machine and show you we can access any website before we block the IP address from the firewall. So it shows like I will show like this. You can see I can go through the any website. So now we move to the firewall one and we implement the rule. So just click on the flag and done. And just click on the enable and save this file. After that, go through the host machine and just reload the it seems like it's blocked the particular IP. So you can get the idea about how it implement a rule to block a specific incoming traffic from the particular IP address from the firewall. So now I demonstrate the second task of my firewall. I just install the app, the web filter from the install apps. So after that, I click on the web filter and I just go to the blog sites and I create a new site as the bank.com. I already created that, and you can see if I go to my host machine and type bank.com, it shows like that. After I block the site and save it, and type bank.com. It shows like I put the web filters in here, so it's already blocked. That's my second task. So my third task will be deblock the Google. So this is the host machine, and I can go Google in this machine. This, and I can search anything. That I move to the Untangle firewall, and just I install the app from the install apps, the application control. Google is the one of the application control list. So just click on the application control and just go to the applications, and there is a search bar on the applications. So just search on the Google. You can see in here there's a filter like Google and the web service. So I block the site and just save it, and it's saved already. So I just go to my host machine and I just open a new tab and paste the Google link. You can see the Google site is not working after the I apply from the firewall changes. So this is my third task. So my fourth task will be develop the music websites that like Shazam, Spotify like that. And in the work environment, just we can type Shazam. Can easily access the Shazam and just can listen music. So after that, I go with firewall and just go to the application control. And after that, I click on the applications and just type Shazam. Stream media, click on block and click on flag. Just click on save. That I go to the host machine and tab. After that, press the link and you can see this site was blocked, and this is my fourth task. Finally, my final task is the block the Facebook for the host PC. So we move to host PC. You can see here we can access the facebook.com. To avoid like this, we can go to firewall application control and just click on application and just search a field on the Facebook and just save it. And now go to host machine and it shows it's blocked now.